Look at me, living life, traveling, trying new things. And this is also me, busting my ass in front of 20 plus people because Frozone from The Incredibles decided to kick my surfboard. Let's rewind things to see how I got here.
Tell me where the cash at. I've been on the fast track. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. I just wanna smash that, hit it, then I pass back. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. This ain't nothing new. I've been chasing dreams. She been playing games, but there ain't no INT.
Chris coming back to you with another mother-loving video. You read the title. I'm in Jamaica. It's crazy. This is my actual first day in Jamaica. I'm really looking forward to it. I got in last night. I flew from Dallas to Florida, Florida to here. By the time we made it in, it was like completely dark. I'm just now getting a chance to see my full room, my full view. And the first thing I want to do is I want to take you guys on a tour of my room. This is the closet that comes with the room, of course. Also has a safe, slippers. Got the bag up there, got the money bag up there. Now this is the bathroom. This is the shower. The mirror has a door for a separate toilet. Now, all the floors are like this kind of, I don't know if this is marble or what, but I love it. This is my camera. This is what I would normally record on, right? This is my vlogging camera. This is what I would normally record on. But unfortunately, it's broke for some reason. My lens won't come out. And then it gives me an error message saying cannot recognize lens attached properly. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed when I get back to the States. But right now I'm vlogging on my iPhone X. So hopefully this is gonna be for the next 5 days or 4 days. So other than that, I'll be going back to the vlogging camera. But I did bring my GoPro, so whatever cool I do, y'all be able to see. This is the king size bed. So I got the all-inclusive package. So what that comes with is, that comes with a fully stocked refrigerator. Got the apple juice on deck. The next best thing about this is it comes with, I guess you can call that like a mini bar, but they restock these themselves, and this is dope. So I can get as drunk as I want to by myself. Got a little coffee maker. That was last night's dinner. Some room temp water, and yeah, got a nice LG TV on here. I definitely brought my Amazon Fire Stick so I can watch Netflix and boxing and stuff like that if I'm bored, if I ever just want to be in my room. Now I'm gonna show you guys the best part of the room. Now last night I couldn't see it because it was dark, but I was, you know, if you got a nice room, you're hoping for a nice view, because I got the deluxe ocean view package. So I'm gonna show you guys this view and y'all tell me what y'all think. This is my own personal view of Jamaica. Y'all see the view, right? But check this out. I can push this all the way in, and now it's like a big window. I guess now I can just walk straight out there. Yo! I just booked up my excursions and everything that I plan on doing while I'm out here. Right now I'm just looking for something to get into because my first excursion ain't until 4 o'clock, and I don't know what to kind of expect out of this. So I actually forgot what I think I'm flyboarding today. I don't know. I just set it up. Yeah, I think I'm flyboarding today. So yeah, that's gonna be lit. But yo, I gotta show y'all this view. Yo, this is crazy. I'm high-key hungry as hell. I need to try to find me something to eat. So I got about 15 minutes before I can eat. So I'm just gonna walk around, check out the views. What's good? I just finished eating. I had something basic, so I didn't feel the need to go ahead and put it on a vlog. But I'm headed back to the room right now to get ready. I'm back in the room. I am about to chill for a little bit. I got about 2 hours before I need to be on the pier. So I'm about to take a nap. I'll see y'all in a minute. Yo. All right, so change clothes. Got some actual swim trunks on and not basketball shorts. So I'm finna be off to go to do this jet thing. Okay, so couldn't put my hair strap on, so I'm gonna have to use it like this. And we are.
Just came back to the city cause I ain't been there months. Need to roll the weed up cause I only smoke on runs. We got so much kick to it, it feel just like a punt. We gon' get rich off this, I got a hunch. I'm smoking on big blunts. I got a digital dash. When I say I'm in my bag, I mean a physical bag. I mean you feeling yourself by that bitch that we done already had. Seen that we living the life that you want, so I guess I know why you mad. But I've been down for so long that I gotta run up the tab. So if it ain't about $1, then it ain't gon' make no sense. Make no sense. Yeah, make no sense. I got 99 problems, but not one of them a bitch. Okay, I spin the first and then I flip the back end. Blacked out all my cars, so now I drive around like I'm Batman. Tattoos on my face like I'm a joker, I'm a madman. Call me bro, but y'all bros want.
So I just finished with the rocket board launch thing, whatever the fuck that is. But that shit was dope. I would honestly say I recommend doing it, but you just gotta have good balance because, like, it's a beast. Like, it's a beast for real, for real. But now I'm about to head upstairs and grab my laptop, sit back poolside, and sit back and cut these videos. So I think, well, actually, it is getting dark. So that concludes day 1 of Jamaica, well, first full day of Jamaica, and I will give you guys a shout later. Peace and chicken grease. Let's go. What is good, man? I am at Dunn's River Falls in Jamaica. I am looking forward to it. We're finna go get extremely wet, and I think we're supposed to be climbing like some kind of mountain river thing. I'm not 100% for sure, but it's going to be fun. It's hotter than the devil's dick out here, but it is what it is. I had to switch to my phone again because my GoPro ran out of memory. So we in the game again. Oh, this is crazy. Peeps, I just finished up with the Dunn's River Falls thing, whatever it's called. Yo, it's pretty lit. Not too intense, but it was it's real chill, man. I recommend it for anybody. It ain't too hard. Just make sure that you got water shoes when you're doing it, and you should be straight. But now I'm back off to the hotel to, let me see, what I gotta do? Oh yeah, I got a like a little cruise, a sunset cruise set up. So I'm gonna go and do that. So I'm gonna go back to the hotel, eat, then go fake that sunset cruise, and then I'm pretty much gonna be done for the day until tomorrow. So see y'all in a minute. What is good, YouTube? I am back for another one, man. Okay, so went to my room, chill. Now it's time for like the little cruise deal. It's like a sunset cruise, how they kind of promote it. I actually don't know where I'm going. Oh, I'm actually going over here. But check out these views though. This shit is beautiful. I recommend anybody bring y'all ass to Jamaica, man. It's like, it's real chill. Like everybody is like real helpful, but at the same time, like real relaxed too. Like it's so much stuff I didn't have to pay full price for. You just go to the people and be like, look, this is what I got, and they gonna give it to you. Like big facts though. I'm finna go and get on these boats though. This shit is exciting, man. Like, never would I have thought that I'd be doing stuff like this, man. Like, it's more to life than just work, and I can honestly say that. This is like enjoying the fruits of your labor. Real talk. So, the lady told me 3:15. I got here on time at 3:15. And the boat ride doesn't start until 4. So, I got about 45 minutes to spend. But you know what? I'm thinking about doing something else. Fuck it, let's scrap up. I got time to waste.
Don't shuffle your body, don't cricket your body when you're standing up, yeah? Don't keep your body like a statue, okay? Relax, 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 look out that way. Look out, don't look down, yeah? Out, keep looking out, don't pull away your arm,
Too many pills, too many senses, many senses I can't feel. No emotions I can't feel. No, I can't feel that love ain't real. Love ain't real, love ain't real, love ain't real. Love like Xanny, that shit ain't real. That shit ain't real. Too many pills, too many senses, many emotions I can't feel. No emotions I can't feel. No, I can't feel that love ain't real. Love ain't real, love ain't real, love ain't real. Love like Xanny, that shit ain't real. That shit ain't real. It's too deep, I can't sleep. I've been running through these.
This is day 2 of Jamaica. Be sure to tune in for day 3. It's gonna be lit. I'm in the vlog for the night. Yo, what is good? This is my 3rd and final full day in Jamaica. Headed right now to do snorkeling. So that's gonna be pretty lit. I'm pretty excited about that. But I will have my GoPro on deck, so we can get a first-person view of that. See you soon.
Watching these niggas catch up with the game. I'm hoping the game don't catch up to me. Ride with this stick when I call automatic. If you talk shit, then we ain't letting no hack. Cold night, sweaty shit get tragic. Goose feathers in the stick of my jacket. From me a pack, I'ma go on the run. Got me a baddie, get back on a nut. Nick Candy got a stick in the drum. Started with 0, I ran out the sun. Nobody there when you down, you broke. Stacking your bread and stay out of the scope. First K, that was all that she wrote. Sophomore, I was selling them both. Young nigga with a change, y'all wonder how I made all the lane switches. I just stay down, I change niggas. The party and fuck with lame bitches. Most of these niggas is broke. Hope you sound they pussy with coat. I don't want none of your pussy. I just want some of your throat. Bad bitch, sum me up in pajamas. Double cup, I ain't dealing with drama. First class on the flight to Bahamas. New bag, get a shit in my mama. Look, mommy, you made a star, and you want me to make it far. I hope it don't fade away. I'm off of these antibiotics.